Okay, so now you are going to try writing the first sentence of A Nation Divided, the text that you read yesterday, or Monday actually. So A Nation Divided, here's the title in case you forgot it. The first sentence, remember, the first sentence includes the title of the text. So that's right here. I'll give you a sentence starter. The text. Then you say the title. Then you pick a verb. So the title, a verb. Think about what was the action this text was doing. Then the big idea of the text. What was it mostly doing? Was it mostly talking about dinosaurs? Was it mostly talking about what pandas like to eat for dinner? No. So what was it mostly doing? Okay, you think about what was the text mostly doing. Even use the text as a hint. Look at the text. Look right there. Okay. So I want you to take a moment, see if you can write the first sentence of your summary. Go. Okay. So let's see what you came up with, because then you can write this down and you can use it for your summary. All right. So what was the very first part of our summary? The title of the text. You should have written the text, A Nation Divided. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome. Okay. So starting easy. The text, A Nation Divided. Next, which verb did you pick? The verb I went with, and let's see if you came up with the same one, is explains. You could have also picked describes. You could have also picked summarize, because the author is summarizing some big ideas. All right, so if you picked explains, describes, or summarizes, give your imaginary friend a high five. Okay. Then, what was this text mostly about? Hopefully, some of you used the hint that's right under the title. 5 things you need to know about the Civil War. Oh my gosh, it was right there. So this text, A Nation Divided, explains the 5 things you need to know about the Civil War. If you said something like, explains 5 things that you should learn about the Civil War, or explains the 5 most important things about the Civil War, something like that, then kudos to you. Good job. All right, so take this moment, write this down, screenshot it so that you have it for when you write your summary. You could even go to Teams right now and open your document and write down the summary.